20 after 3 in London, 20 after 10 in New Jersey. Now.
What are you, about 37,000 up?
Yep, we're 37,000 feet in the air.
How was dinner?
Good.
So
Very good. We enjoyed the food. Going to go to sleep for a couple of hours.
Alright.
That's it.
We'll take it from there once we get to the old London. Flight's barely full, huh?
Yeah, I can see you still have it on.
Yeah. How many people would you say is on the plane? About half?
Yep.
If that.
Yep.
Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Happy New Year. Thank you for flying with us.
It's gonna be a good video for Gilbert to see. He's never been on a plane. I always try to explain to him how the wings work. Out of London right now, we're gonna go through the clouds. Look at a football catch with these wings, it's so long. It's not sure about it. This is beautiful. I feel like we're getting swallowed. See how thin this wing is there?
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the no smoking sign. At this time, if you are smoking, we ask that you please extinguish all cigarettes immediately. The illumination of the no smoking sign is also our captain's indication that we're on final descent to
There's the
London
wings.
Gatwick Airport. In order to prepare the cabin for landing, we ask that you please ensure that seat backs and tray tables are returned to their full upright and stowed position. Check to be sure your seat belts are securely fastened. Your armrests are down by your side. If you removed any carry-on items during the flight, please ensure that those are again placed well underneath the seat in front of you, keeping the area by your feet clear to allow unrestricted access to the center aisle. Flight attendants will be passing through the aisle one final time to collect all remaining items from our service this evening. We're landing in approximately 10 minutes. One final request, if you do have headsets, we ask that you please leave them on the seat as you deplane.
Stop here. Keep doing that. So it's only 2:30 at home, 7:31 here. Still see no land. Pretty soon the ground should be popping through. Target's getting out there. Got 3 minutes more. Still don't see no ground. Good thing for computers. How would these guys know what a runway is, huh? Another plane taking off. Oh, we're almost to the ground. It's ready. Yeah, I see it. Can't see it on the camera though. There's London. See the lights of London. We're about a half a mile up. I love this part the best, man. Gilbert, if you're listening, I'm doing this for you. Give you a lesson in the flaps. We're over the airport, Mom. Gatwick. Ready? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. There it is. Check out those wings. Auto reverse thrust. Love it. This is so much fun. What a... Oh my, can't say you've never been to England.
Continental Airlines, your local travel agent, and especially the in-flight crew that served you last evening, welcome you to an early arrival at London Gatwick Airport. With a local time of 7:37.
Ooh. My clock's
We will be
wrong.
taxiing for the next few minutes. We therefore require that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and refrain from moving about the cabin until the captain turns the fasten seatbelt sign off. Prior to deplaning, please check around your seating area in the seat pocket in front of you and the overhead bins for all personal items you brought on board with you this evening.
Well, so much for that.
Please be careful when opening the overhead bins as the contents may have shifted during the flight. For those passengers requiring connecting flight and baggage claim information, uniformed ground agents will be available in meeting this flight. On behalf of everyone at Continental Airlines, it's been our pleasure having you on board with us last evening. I recognize you have a choice of carriers across the North Atlantic, and
Well,
we're pleased to see
now
that you
the
chose
vacation
Continental.
starts.
Hope that if in the future you're traveling